The Raw DAO airdrop is officially live. And in today's video, I will show you how to claim your free Raw DAO tokens. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. All the links for this Raw airdrop will be in the description box below as well for easy access. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, the Raw DAO token will be the governance token for Juno network. This token will have a bunch of utility. It will allow you to vote in the DAO on important decisions. Also, you'll be able to stake it and a couple of other benefits as well. So without wasting any more of your time, let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly step by step on how to claim this free money. It is super simple. Let's go. As you guys can see, there's only a couple seconds left before this airdrop goes live and we are able to get our free Raw tokens. All right, the first thing that you have to do is obviously connect your Kepler wallet. And then when you scroll down, you will see how much free Raw tokens you're going to receive. And then you're going to press claim your tokens. Once you press this, a window will show up and then you're simply going to press approve. Keep in mind, you are going to need like a penny worth of Juno in your Kepler wallet in order to pay for the fees. Then you're going to wait for the airdrop to go through. I kept receiving an error multiple times. Come to realize the Raw was already in my wallet. So all I had to do was go over to rawdao.zone and connect my wallet. Once I connected my wallet, I realized that the free Raw was already in there. And my balance right now is just over 20 free Raw tokens. And that is how simple and easy it is to claim your free airdrop. Also guys, as of right now, we do not know how much one Raw is worth. And we also do not know the APR. But personally, I will be staking my entire Raw position, just like I have mentioned multiple times in my previous videos. So to stake your Raw tokens, all you have to do is press manage, select the amount of Raw that you want to stake, confirm it in your wallet, and your Raw tokens will be staked. But keep in mind, as of right now, we do not know how much the Raw tokens are worth or the APR that it will be paid out to stakers. Also, very important, if you stake your Raw tokens and then tomorrow or the next day they release the value and you're like, yo, I have a couple $100, I want to sell my Raw tokens. Once you unstake, you will have to wait 2 full weeks for the Raw tokens to show up in your wallet before you are able to sell them or do anything with them. So keep that in mind if you plan on selling and just taking your profits out. Also keep in mind, you are going to have 30 days to claim your airdrop. But if you plan on staking, I suggest you claim your airdrop as soon as possible. This airdrop will have a total of 200 million Raw tokens. And as you can see, more and more tokens are being claimed every minute. And now there's only 151 million tokens to be claimed. But over the next 30 days, this number is going to drop big time. Check it out, even more Raw tokens claimed. And then on the very bottom, it will show you the number of Raw tokens you received and where to stake them. And as of right now, there's over 22 million Raw tokens staked. So pretty much 50% of the people that have received the airdrop so far have staked their tokens. The other 50 are simply holding them in their Kepler wallet. All right, everybody, so that is how you claim your free airdrop. It literally takes less than a minute. Let me know in the comment section below, what will you do with your Raw tokens? Will you stake them or will you simply hold to sell later on for profits? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, comment section below. Links will be in the description. See you in the next video. Peace out.